This is why you need to know about Somaliland. Lithium mining here could change everything. Somaliland, near Hargeisa in Agaba village, is catching global attention for its lithium potential. Lithium, the backbone of Li-ion batteries, is crucial for our tech-driven world. Imagine your phone, laptop or electric car running on lithium extracted from Somaliland. Now, new direct lithium extraction, DLE technology, could make this even more exciting. DLE is faster and more efficient, offering recovery rates of up to 90% compared to traditional methods. But it's not all smooth sailing. DLE still faces hurdles like costs and environmental impacts. Moreover, the geopolitical scene in the region adds another layer of complexity. With ongoing tensions and military presence, security is a real concern. Despite these challenges, Somaliland's lithium potential could be a game changer. Stay tuned as this story unfolds. It could power our future.